Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahzad Ahmed. I am student of Rehan Teacher Training AI Institute, Level 1. My batch number is 19. Today we are starting our interview discussion with ChatGPT on the topic of the role of artificial intelligence in our future. Let's start our questions. Hello ChatGPT, are you listening me?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। जी शहजाद अहमद साहब, मैं पूरी तरह सुन रहा हूँ और तैयार हूँ। आपके इंटरव्यू डिस्कशन का आगाज करते हैं और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के हमारे मुस्तकबिल पर क्या असरात होंगे, इस मौजू पर आप जो भी सवालात करेंगे, मैं हाजिर हूँ।
Okay, I my interview is on English. Tell me answer in English.
Absolutely got it. I'll keep all my answers in English for your interview. Let's dive right in.
Okay. What is artificial intelligence in simple word?
In simple words, artificial intelligence is basically when we make computers or machines smart enough to do things that usually need human intelligence. So things like understanding language, recognizing patterns, or making decisions. AI is just about teaching machines to do those kind of tasks.
Okay. Why is artificial intelligence important today?
AI is important today because it helps us handle complex tasks more quickly and efficiently. For example, it can sift through huge amounts of data, automate repetitive work, improve medical diagnoses, or even make our daily tech like smartphones and apps smarter and more personalized. In short, it's important because it makes life and work a bit easier and more efficient.
How does how does AI work in daily life?
Well, in daily life, AI works in lots of subtle ways that you might not even notice. For instance, when you use your phone's voice assistant, that's AI understanding your speech. When you get personalized recommendations on a streaming service, that's AI figuring out what you might like. Even things like spam filters in your email or the way your smart home devices adjust the lighting, all of these are little everyday examples of AI working behind the scenes to make things smoother.
Can you give some easy example of AI we use every day?
Absolutely. For easy everyday examples, think about something like your smartphone's autocorrect or predictive text. That's AI helping you type faster. Or when you scroll through social media and see posts that match your interests, that's AI curating your feed. Even when you ask a virtual assistant like Siri or Google Assistant to set a reminder or play music, that's AI in action. So it's really all around you in these little convenient ways.
How does AI help people save time?
Well, AI saves people time by taking over tasks that would otherwise be slow or repetitive. For example, it can automatically sort your emails, help you find information quickly through search engines, or even manage your schedule by suggesting the best times for meetings. In more advanced ways, it can handle customer service chat so you don't have to wait on hold, or it can optimize routes for delivery drivers so they get to destinations faster. All these little efficiencies add up to saving a lot of time in daily life.
Who is AI use in mobile phones?
In mobile phones, AI is used in all sorts of handy ways. For instance, your phone's camera might use AI to automatically enhance photos or recognize scenes and faces. Voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant use AI to understand and respond to your commands. Even predictive text or the way your phone learns your routine and suggests apps are all examples of AI at work right in your pocket.
How does AI help in online shopping?
AI is super helpful in online shopping because it can personalize your experience and make recommendations that actually fit your tastes. For example, when you see recommended for you items, that's AI analyzing what you've looked at or bought before. It also helps in things like chatbots that can answer your questions about products or track your orders. Plus, AI can optimize the search results so you find what you need faster. Overall, it just makes the whole shopping process a lot smoother and more tailored to you.
Can AI help students in learning how?
Absolutely. AI can be a great help for students in learning. It can do things like personalized lessons to fit each student's pace and style. So if you're struggling with a topic, AI can adjust the material or give you extra practice. It can also provide instant feedback on quizzes or assignments, which helps you understand mistakes right away. Plus, there are AI tutors and educational apps that make learning more interactive and fun. In short, AI can really support students by making education more personalized and responsive.
How is AI useful for teachers?
AI is really useful for teachers in quite a few ways. For one, it can help them automate some of the more repetitive tasks, like grading quizzes or assignments, which frees up time for more personalized teaching. It can also provide insights into how students are doing, like spotting who might need extra help with a certain topic. Plus, AI tools can create customized learning plans for students, make it easier for teachers to meet everyone's needs. In short, it's like having a helpful assistant that makes teaching more efficient and tailored.
Okay. How is useful for teachers?
Sure, so for teachers, AI can be a real time saver and a support system. For example, it can help with grading straightforward assignments automatically, so teachers have more time to focus on actual teaching. It can also track student progress and highlight which students might need extra help in certain areas. Plus, AI can offer tailored resources or practice exercises to match each student's needs, which makes it easier for teachers to personalize their lessons. In other words, it's a handy tool that helps teachers focus more on teaching and less on the busy work.
Okay. Can AI help people who have weak English?
Yes, absolutely. AI can be a big help for people who have weak English skills. For instance, there are AI powered language learning apps that can give you personalized lessons, correct your grammar, and help you practice at your own pace. AI chatbots can let you have simple conversations and get comfortable with everyday English. Even translation tools can help you understand and communicate better. So, in short, AI can really support and guide you as you build your English skills.
Okay. How does AI help in business?
AI helps in business in all sorts of ways. For example, it can analyze large amounts of data to help companies make better decisions and spot trends. It can also automate customer service through chatbots, handle routine tasks, and even improve marketing by targeting the right customers with the right messages. In short, AI makes business operations more efficient, helps companies understand their customers better, and frees up time for people to focus on more strategic work.
Okay. Can small business use AI?
Yes, definitely. Small businesses can absolutely use AI, and it can be a big advantage for them. They can use AI tools for things like automating their customer service with chatbots, which saves time and money. They can also use AI for marketing, like figuring out which customers to target or what products to recommend. Even for managing inventory or analyzing sales data, AI can make things run more smoothly. So even if a business is small, AI can help them work smarter and compete more effectively.
How does AI help in marketing and sale?
AI is super helpful in marketing and sales because it can really personalize and streamline the whole process. For instance, AI can analyze customer data to figure out what kind of products or content people are interested in, and then target them with personalized ads. It can also automate email marketing campaigns so the right messages go to the right people at the right time. In sales, AI can help score leads to see which potential customers are most likely to buy, making the sales process more efficient. Overall, it just helps businesses reach the right customers more effectively and boost sales by being more personalized and data driven.
Can AI reduce human work land?
Yes, it definitely can. AI can reduce human workload by taking over repetitive or time consuming tasks. For example, it can handle data entry, sort through emails, schedule meetings, or even manage routine customer inquiries. By automating these kind of things, AI frees people up to focus on more creative, strategic, or complex work that really needs a human touch. So, in short, yes, AI can definitely lighten the workload.
Okay. Does AI make work faster and easier?
Yes, absolutely. AI can definitely make work both faster and easier. By automating routine tasks and helping process large amounts of information quickly, it speeds up workflows and reduces the manual effort needed. That means people can get things done more quickly and with less stress. So, in short, yeah, it makes work a lot more efficient and a bit easier too.
How is AI used in healthcare?
AI is used in healthcare in some really valuable ways. For example, it can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately by analyzing medical images like X-rays or MRIs. It can also predict patient outcomes and personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique data. AI can even streamline administrative tasks in hospitals like scheduling or managing patient records, making the whole system more efficient. In short, it's a great tool for improving both patient care and the efficiency of healthcare services.
Can AI help doctor and hospitals?
Yes, it absolutely can. AI is a big help for doctors and hospitals. It can assist doctors by quickly analyzing medical data and imaging results, which can lead to faster and more accurate diagnoses. It can also help in creating personalized treatment plans based on a patient's specific condition. On the administrative side, AI can manage scheduling, keep track of patient records, and even predict patient flows to help hospitals run more smoothly. So overall, AI makes both the medical and operational sides of healthcare more efficient and effective.
Can AI help children learn better?
Yes, definitely. AI can really help children learn better by making learning more engaging and personalized. For instance, AI powered educational apps can adapt to a child's learning pace and style, offering interactive lessons and activities that keep them interested. It can also give instant feedback and suggest extra practice where needed. Plus, AI can turn learning into a more fun and interactive experience, which can help kids stay motivated. So, overall, it's a great tool to support children's learning.
How does AI help people with disability?
AI is really helpful for people with disabilities because it can create tools that make everyday tasks more accessible. For instance, there are AI powered speech recognition tools that help those who have difficulty typing. There are also visual recognition tools that can describe the environment to someone who's blind or has low vision. AI can even assist with real time translation or text to speech for those with hearing impairments. So, overall, AI helps remove barriers and makes it easier for people with disabilities to interact with the world around them.
Okay. Are there any risk of artificial intelligence?
Yes, there are definitely some risks with artificial intelligence. One concern is that if AI is not designed or used responsibly, it could lead to privacy issues or biased decisions. For example, AI systems might unintentionally favor one group of people over another if they're trained on biased data. There's also the risk of job displacement, where AI might automate certain jobs, leading to workforce changes. So while AI has lots of benefits, it's important to think about these risks and make sure we develop and use it in a thoughtful and ethical way.
Can AI replace human jobs?
Well, AI can definitely automate some tasks that humans currently do, and that might mean certain jobs will change or even disappear. But it's also important to remember that AI often creates new kinds of jobs too, like roles in AI maintenance, development, or oversight. In many cases, AI takes over the repetitive or mundane tasks so that humans can focus on more creative or complex work. So while some jobs might be replaced, others will evolve or emerge. And ideally, AI will work alongside people rather than simply replacing them.
Can AI help create a better society?
Absolutely, it can. AI has the potential to help create a better society in a lot of ways. For instance, it can improve healthcare outcomes, make education more accessible, and help solve complex problems like climate modeling or traffic management. It can also support more inclusive services for people with disabilities and help make government and public services more efficient and transparent. Of course, it's all about how we choose to use it, but if we develop and apply AI thoughtfully and ethically, it can definitely contribute to building a better society.
From this interview, I learned the artificial intelligence is becoming a very important part of our future. AI help people in daily life, education, businesses, and healthcare. I learned that AI does not only replace work, but it also helps humans work better and faster. If we use AI in positive and responsible way, it I can make our future easily and brighter. This discussion helped me understand why learn AI in important our everyday. Thank you very much, ChatGPT. This is end of my interview. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.
You're very